This week's box, let's see what we've got. A great collection of white and green palettes. We've got the umbrella fern. We've got the sim carnations, which are like little puffs of clouds when they open. This week we've also got some Alstroemeria. For height and some really nice fragrance, we've got the Malacca balm. And for fullness and a bit of a silver tone to it, we've got the great olive foliage. If you've got any pieces of Malacca balm, if this is going to sit below the waterline or it's a little bit damaged, you can just use your hands and pull. I like to keep the Malacca balm clustered together for more impact. Next we're going to take the Alstroemeria, some leaves which are at a lower section or if they're slightly damaged, you want to just pull them off. You need to spend a little bit more time with the carnations and pull off all of the little leaves that are within the sections. Working with the highest stem first, I want you to nestle it amongst the other flowers. We're going to add the final element now, which is the umbrella fern. Give it a little trim, the fishbone fern, or the umbrella fern I should say, just into the neck of the vase on either side. And there you have it.